Hello and welcome to the Savera. This is Dinkle before you, bringing you latest news from Sangrur, where a deadly clash broke between the inmates in jail, resulting in loss of lives of 2 inmates after being attacked by a sharp object, while 2 others have been seriously injured and are now referred to Rajendra Hospital, Patiala. According to the police, while 9 inmates were being shifted from barrack to cell, this clash broke out. While police attempted to stop them all, but 2 inmates as of now have lost their lives and 2 remain seriously injured. Let me walk you through more details. 2 inmates were killed and 2 others were injured in a clash among prisoners in a jail in Punjab, Sangrur on Friday, police said. Deputy Inspector General of Police Patiala, Range Surinder Singh Saini, said 9 inmates attacked 4 prisoners kept in barrack when they were being shifted to the cell at 7 p.m. He said that police were investigating the cause of the clash. According to the Saini, when the prisoners were being counted and shifted to their respective cells, 9 inmates went inside the barrack and attacked 4 prisoners. This was a serious attack with sharp weapons. Despite being rescued by the police, 2 prisoners died and 2 have been admitted to a government hospital. The whole matter is being investigated and action will be taken against the culprits. The inmates who died were identified as Harsh and Dharmendra, while Gagandeep Singh and Mohammad Shehbaz were injured. Dr. Karandeep Kahil from a government hospital in Sangrur said 4 inmates were brought to the hospital, of which 2 of them were declared brought dead. He also said that 2 injured inmates were referred to hospital in Patiala. The inmates who were wounded got injuries on their backs, hands, arms and ears caused by a sharp object, the doctor further said. That's all for now. For more updates, stay tuned to the Savera.